welcome back to my channel. I'm MBM Official Bianca Maria, or you can call me Bibi. And today's video I will do my makeup using this palette from Tanya Burr Cosmetics. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I already put my foundation on, and now I have here a bronzer. I'm doing this shadow on my head, on my forehead, because I want to make it looking a little bit smaller, and that's what I'm trying to do, because my father have a really big forehead. And no, why to look like my mom, to have a little forehead, that little and cute forehead? It's not mine. Okay, I think it's okay. And a little bit on my neck, because you don't want to look like you have a mask on your face, right? And now this baby right here. I will start with this stargazing, I think. And I will put in this area to, I don't know, I'm trying to make my, I will try to make my lips looking a little bit bigger. Okay, now the eye area. Okay, in general I don't like to put a lot of color on my eye area, because I just feel that it's, I look good with colors on me, but I don't know. English sky, this here. Okay, it's light. Okay. In general, I like the palette to be powerful, because I know that when I'm buying a new makeup palette, my mom is using the colorful area and I'm using the nude one, like brownish, and you know what I mean. Okay, I have to do this more, because in general I just said that I'm not using colors, and this is why I really don't know how to put on my eyes. And I will put this like this. Tick 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 tick. I look like, when you just finish a fight and the next day you have your eyes like this. I'm not looking that bad. I was thinking this will be more bad than actually it's looking. I'm proud of me. I will use Midnight Navy. I'm using again this one. And I'm using again this one, because I want to do my nose a little bit smaller, like this, just in this area, because my nose is like this, and here. Okay, this is for today. If you think you like me, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos with me. And see you next time. Bye!